was 3 of them. We had 3 doors. One went to each door. As a door was finished, that person would go to another door. They got here at 8 o'clock, and by 12 o'clock, they had cleaned up. There was nothing for me to clean.
Wow.
The doors were in. They had vacuumed, picked up everything they had used. The lead guy came in, had me inspect the doors. Very polite, very easy. I would recommend this to anyone. It was a great experience. Right from the very beginning, it was when the gentleman, Sam is who I had, when he came out and we talked about having the doors done, by the time he was finished, there was actually no questions. He had explained everything, gave us options as far as payments went, was not pushy, did not pressure us in any way. From that to agreeing to have the doors done, the very next day I was contacted again by Yankee to set up for the gentleman to come out and do the measuring. He came out the next day. Within a day or 2 after that, I was contacted again about ordering the doors. They sent me the blueprints of the doors for me to verify to make sure it was what I wanted. When I said it was, they ordered the doors. So it was a constant contact. From the very beginning, I always knew what was going on. So the whole experience was just a very easy, very, very easy. Oh, I would recommend Yankee without a doubt.